Have you ever wondered what's really out there, beyond the edge of our solar system? Now imagine something arriving from that vast unknown, but not traveling alone. Astronomers using the Gemini North Telescope have caught something extraordinary. The interstellar object 3I Atlas, moving through our cosmic neighborhood, might have a companion. Not a planet, not a moon, something stranger. Is it a fragment? A binary traveler? Or a cosmic illusion born of light and dust? Tonight we dive into the data and into the mystery, from observatories in Hawaii, Chile, and South Africa, to spacecraft and space telescopes watching from above. We follow an interstellar visitor unlike any we've seen before. This is Cosmic Atlas, and the question is simple. Is 3I Atlas traveling alone or with an escort? Let's find out. 3I Atlas is only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected, after Oumuamua and Borisov. Discovered by the Atlas survey in July 2025, its speed, over 30 kilometers per second relative to the Sun, marks it as unbound. This one is just passing through. But this one isn't quiet. Unlike Oumuamua's cigar-like rock, 3I Atlas is a comet, actively venting gas and dust. When it was still beyond Jupiter's orbit, it was already alive, glowing faintly green, a signature of exotic chemistry. NASA's SWIFT measured early water vapor outgassing, about 40 kilograms every second, far from the Sun. That means 3I Atlas carries super volatile ices, frozen in deep space for eons. Its extreme eccentricity confirms its interstellar origin. As it rushes inward, sunlight awakens buried chemistry. Vents sputter, grains lift off, a coma inflates around an ancient core. A visitor from beyond, writing its story in vapor and light. Then came the Gemini North observations from Hawaii. High-resolution time-lapses showed something odd. Tiny points of light, faint but moving with the comet. At first, astronomers thought it was a glitch, a cosmic ray hit, a background star, or maybe an imaging artifact, but the same pattern appeared in independent footage from Chile and South Africa. Curiosity exploded. Could 3I Atlas actually have an escort? A smaller object or fragments drifting alongside it? If true, this would be historic. No interstellar visitor has ever been caught traveling in company, but extraordinary claims demand careful tests. Time to put the data under the microscope. Before jumping to conclusions, scientists did what they always do: stress test the data. Artifact checks confirmed the points weren't stars or sensor noise. Then came motion coherence tests. Do the points move with the comet's velocity vector or independently? Preliminary results suggest some may share motion, but not perfectly. Here's where geometry matters. Comet tails can form an anti-tail, a dust illusion pointing toward the Sun, created by Earth's viewing angle. Sometimes these dust clumps can masquerade as small companions. So the question remains: fragments, dust knots, or something entirely new? True fragmentation would produce several telltale signs: slight divergence in trajectory over time, a mini coma, a small cloud of gas and dust around each fragment, changes in brightness as new ice surfaces are exposed. So far, Gemini and Hubble haven't confirmed any of those, but the signals are close enough to keep astronomers on edge. For now, the prudent answer is intriguing, not proven. 3I Atlas isn't just strange in shape, it's strange in chemistry. Spectroscopy reveals it's rich in carbon dioxide but poor in water, the opposite of most solar system comets. That hints it formed around a different kind of star, in a colder or chemically alien environment. Its faint green glow is not typical, possibly linked to C2 behavior seen in Oumuamua and a few deep space comets. Together with its resilience near the Sun, scientists suspect an unusually strong crust, sintered by cosmic rays over billions of years. Imagine a comet born before Earth existed, still holding together after crossing between stars. An archive of a different solar chemistry, flying past our Sun once, then gone. Right now, 3i Atlas is moving away from the Sun, faint and hard to track. Between September and December, it passes near Mars's orbit, a quiet pipeline with limited observing time. ESA's orbiters even watched from Mars, grabbing spectra as it slipped by. From Earth, solar glare and telescope allocation make it a waiting game. But in December 2025, the comet becomes observable again. Gemini and JWST will reacquire it, and the data will decide the debate. If there's a companion, its separation and brightness should change predictably. If not, the points will vanish as dust or optical ghosts. Either way, answers are coming. So what's the truth? Maybe 3i Atlas is just shedding ancient skin, a dying comet flaking under sunlight. Or maybe it's a binary interstellar traveler, two bodies locked in an eternal drift, ejected together from a distant star system, carrying the chemistry of another world. Dust can fool us. Fragments can reveal themselves. The line is thin. Either way, December's data will tell us whether it's a lone wanderer or part of something larger. Until then, the mystery lives in the noise and in the sky. The cosmos rarely gives us direct visitors. When it does, they bring stories older than our sun. So, what do you think 3i Atlas is traveling with? A fragment of itself, a long-lost twin, or just a trick of cosmic dust? What we do know, it's a natural comet, an ancient object from another star. Comment your theory below, and subscribe to Cosmic Atlas for our follow-up when the December reacquisition data drops. Between stars and sunlight, we'll read what the universe has written. Thanks for watching.